Ever wondered how to navigate the complex labyrinth of accounting in the automotive industry? Keeping track of inventory, managing warehouse operations, and streamlining transactions can feel like a Herculean task. Not to mention the endless paperwork and manual tasks that slow down your cash flow and business growth. Enter Accounting Seed, a powerful tool designed to take the wheel and steer your accounting needs in the right direction. This innovative software simplifies your business operations by integrating customer relationship management and accounting on one platform. Imagine the ease of allocating inventory to your sales orders with just a few clicks. Picture the relief of billing customers swiftly and accurately. Envision the power of configuring operational processes without writing a single line of code. That's the magic of Accounting Seed. But it doesn't stop there. Accounting Seed cuts through the noise of manual tasks, revving up your cash flow. This enables your sales, operations, and finance teams to gain a real-time view of business performance. And the best part? You can achieve all this without breaking the bank on costly integrations. Xentury One delivers a complete solution that covers both Salesforce and Accounting Seed. This ensures that your solutions are consistent, scalable, and unified in their goals and objectives. Accounting Seed isn't just an accounting software. It's a co-driver in your journey to business success. It's about more than just numbers. It's about accelerating your business growth and driving you towards a prosperous future. Now, let's shift gears and talk about Salesforce Automotive Cloud. It's not just about managing your financials, it's also about understanding your customers and their vehicles. Salesforce Automotive Cloud provides a dashboard that brings together all the vehicle and driver information you need. This powerful platform offers real-time telematics data, powering immersive in-vehicle experiences that set you apart from the competition. And it doesn't stop there. With the aid of artificial intelligence and automation, Salesforce Automotive Cloud transforms this data into actionable insights, boosting business productivity and enabling you to make informed decisions faster. It's the perfect co-pilot on your journey to automotive business success. Together with Accounting Seed, Salesforce Automotive Cloud promises a comprehensive, unified solution that drives your business forward. Remember, Salesforce Automotive Cloud is more than just a tool. It's your roadmap to a successful and prosperous future in the automotive industry. So why wait? Embrace the future of automotive accounting today. Take Accounting Seed for a test drive and experience the difference it can make in your business operations. This is your chance to get ahead of your competitors. Whether you are in manufacturing, distribution, or OEM, the combined solution will change the way you manage your business operations. Remember, in the fast-paced world of automotive industry, every second counts. Don't let complex operational processes slow you down. Visit Xentury1.com